Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a luxurious rose clay facial mask that's perfect for pampering your skin and giving it some TLC. This mask is made with all natural ingredients, including homemade rose water, rose clay, lavender essential oil, glass or wooden mixing bowl, and brush to apply mask. Once you have all of your ingredients, it's time to mix them together. In a small bowl, combine 1.5 tablespoons of rose clay. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Five drops of lavender essential oil. And finally, our secret ingredient. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix well until a smooth paste is formed. Now your mask is ready to use. Simply apply a thin layer to your clear, dry face and neck, being sure to avoid the eye area. Leave the mask on for 15-20 minutes or until it's fully dry. You should notice that your skin feels refreshed and rejuvenated after using this mask. The rose clay helps to detoxify and tighten pores, while the lavender essential oil helps to soothe and calm the skin. The rose water adds a touch of hydration, and the aloe gel helps to moisturize and nourish the skin. Once the mask is dry, rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry with a towel. This facial mask is really good for a winter time. Just apply it once a week and see results yourself and enjoy your winter time without any dry skin. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this luxurious rose clay facial mask. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.